Hello, Jim Tech Buzz, a new product in today, and this is the world's first pair of headphones that are using solar power. So they're self-charging, solar powered, and they are always charging. So that looks pretty cool. So you've got compatible with Android and iOS on the side there. You do have a new Urbanista app, which we have to test out. So we're already set to go here. So do check that out. You get it by scanning that, or you can find it on the App Store. So I've got always charging, virtually infinite playtime, ambient sound, hybrid active noise cancelling. So also we have got here in the feature section, you have got 80 hours battery reserve, hybrid active noise cancelling, ambient sound, on-ear detection, Siri and Google Voice Assistant, and Bluetooth 5.0. So that's what the box looks like, if you haven't seen one. And it looks pretty cool, it's a nice colour as well. So let's open up and see what we have. So we haven't actually done a pre-look, as we kind of do sometimes. So in here is your booklet and other bits and pieces. So let's see what we have. So you do get a charging cable, USB-A to USB-C, and in here we get our quick start guide. So again, it's going to go through the app with you there, and here is a little manual as well in different languages. So you've got English, Spanish, Portuguese, everything's in there. And here it will give you a brief look at the control buttons there as well. So you've got a feature button, battery status indicator, volume and track controls, and another control button there as well. And you get your warranty. So that's pretty much it in there. So we have this nice carrying case here as well with the Urbanista branding. Really nice finish to this as well, really nice. And you have a little string to open up on top and they just pop out. Nothing else inside, but that's it. And here we go. This is what they look like here in the flesh. So they do have a kind of similar look to the last headphones, the Miami, which we have still, which will pop out. There's a similar kind of design language going on there, but these are cool. So if you haven't checked these out, do check them out and check our review on site. So nice matte finish, kind of soft to the touch. Up on top you've got Powerfile written there, and nice comfortable band all the way inside here. No real creaks or anything like that. Nice soft pads, and you can see the sensor in here for your auto play and pause. So when you take them on and off, they'll stop and play, as you know how well it works. So you've got your buttons here on the side, and you've your USB port. So you've one button there, LED indicator there, and another your USB-C port for charging. And in here you've got some more buttons here on the side and a mic there, and that's pretty much it. So they do extend like so. You can see how deep them cushions are there, really nice, marked left and right. And just give you an up close look at that sensor there. So that's will give you the auto play and pause. The branding is embedded into the headphone, and again it's a nice matte black finish, really soft to the touch. So they do twist like that, so they can stow over this way, and that's basically what they look like there. And they have that band up on top there, which looks really nice as well. And that's really all. So that's really it for the first look and unboxing. The next thing to do is take them away and test them and see how we get on, and we can come back for more. So just another close-up from the Miami. So you can kind of see a similar design language there. There's no USB or headphone socket on this, so that's what they look like there. And you can see the same kind of idea here with the extension arms, and the same on the opposite side with the USB port and the play buttons then, again kind of similar. So that's really it, and any questions feel free to ask us. We'll be testing out. We'll be back in a couple of weeks time, and you can fire them down below or else on our social media, and we'll gladly answer what you have that you might want answered. And that's pretty much what they look like in the flesh. The world's first solar powered headphones. Pretty nice. Look forward to testing them out, see how they sound, because that's most importantly what people want to know. But again, if solar powered headphones now, that's what's going to be coming next down the road, and that means less cables and all that kind of stuff, which is cool. So fire away any questions. We'll be back soon with a review, and we will have them all answered for you by then, but in the interim feel free to ask, as we put these into test mode straight away. And that's pretty much it for now. We'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching. And also thanks to Urbanista yet again for sending these over to check out. And do check out all the reviews on site. We've covered pretty much everything. This is a really nice bag to go with it as well. It's a really nice touch, and that is good to see. And the presentation is excellent as well. You can kind of feel the headphone design on the box there. It's really cool. It's not a cheap presentation by any means. It's an excellent presentation. Well, that'll be it for now. We'll see you soon. Talk to you in the next video.